When a fire exit or security door is compromised, it's not just an inconvenience, it's a compliance issue, a security risk, and a liability. In emergencies like this, boarding up is often used, but when it's a fire exit, boarding is non-compliant. That's where Temp-Dor comes in. Temp-Dor is designed for rapid deployment, same day, nationwide. Stored at BGS depots across the UK, it's ready to install at short notice. Installation is quick and secure, done in under an hour with minimal disruption. Temp-Dor is purpose-built to be rapid, adaptable, and compliant, ensuring no disruption to your business or your legal obligations. Temp-Dor provides protection while your permanent replacement is fabricated. Once it's ready, we remove Temp-Dor and fit your new door set. Temp-Dor, the safe, rapid alternative to boarding up. Available now from BGS via our 24/7 emergency call-out network.